Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. In today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare an amazing mouth-watering and finger-licking raw mango dal recipe. Everyone must have prepared it and you must have tasted it, but if you follow the video till the end, then you will know I have added a small twist that takes the mango dal flavor and taste to another level. So while let us see how to prepare this amazing raw mango dal recipe. This is the season where we get amazing raw mangoes, right? And here I have taken one mango and I have washed it nicely and peeled the outer skin as I have shown here. Now take one mango, that is enough. You can serve for 5 people. It depends on the quantity of how much you serve. Then you can take the mangoes according to your choice. Now after cleaning it nicely and peeling it, I have chopped into small pieces. Some like to add in bigger pieces. It's up to your choice. But by adding small chopped pieces, that mango pieces will be easily cooked and the flavor gets so well with the dal. Now put it aside and take a pressure cooker and add 3/4 tea glass of yellow tur dal or yellow legume or lentil, and also 3/4 glass of red gram or masoor dal. This is the twist I have added, that is the masoor dal. This gives an amazing taste. Now wash both the dals properly in the water and then add the chopped mangoes. Now taste the mangoes before you add, because some mangoes are very sour or khatta in taste. So according to your taste you can add. I have added only 3/4 cup of the raw mangoes, and then I have added 4 green chilies and 1 medium sized chopped tomato, a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of oil and water till the mango pieces are browned nicely, and that's it. Allow it to cook for on medium flame until you get 3 whistles. After 3 whistles and after cooling it properly, now after opening the lid you can see that dal is nicely cooked. It should not become into a paste like consistency, so just 3 whistles is enough. Now for tampering or tadka, take a pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil and add cumin seeds and mustard seeds and garlic, red chilies and 1 long onion slit and fresh curry leaves. Now allow it to cook on medium flame or fry it for 30 seconds, and then add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee and then give it a nice stir for another half a minute, and that's it. Add the entire dal in the pressure cooker into the pan. Now you can check the consistency. If you want it to be a little pouring consistency, add a little bit of water. And now in the last you need to add salt. Do not add salt in the beginning or while you're cooking in the pressure cooker. Now add salt to taste, and then that's it. Your dal is all ready. This is the perfect consistency. Now you can serve your raw mango dal with hot rice and add ghee on top of it and enjoy this. Trust me, you don't need any other curry. You will just lick your fingers if you follow this simple tips and tricks I have told you, and you can enjoy this raw mango dal meal. Now in this raw mango dal I have added masoor dal apart from the yellow dal, because it is rich in proteins and minerals. It stabilizes your blood sugar, reduces risk of cancer, promotes weight loss, rich in dietary fiber, and also good for your skin. I know it's very tempting, so go give it a try and let me know how it turned you in the comment section. Please subscribe.